crazy kid.
My muffins.
Yeah, can I start again?
My muffin.
What are we making today, Charlotte?
Muffins!
Okay, and who are you? Crazy kid. You're one of the crazy kids. So today we're making banana muffins. And we're using this cookbook that I've had since, I don't know, since I was a kid, so a good 30 plus years.
Yeah.
And the first thing we want to do is put in our butter and our sugar. So put the butter in, dip it in, good girl. And our quarter cup of sugar, so it's half a cup of butter. And we want to mix it all together.
I'm gonna make muffins.
Make muffins, yep, so mix.
My carrot cake.
We want to put in our bananas and our eggs. Okay, we want to crack the egg. Help me. Yeah, good girl. Okay, one egg.
The egg
Yep. And now we want to squash in our bananas.
is Russian bananas.
We got one banana.
2 bananas. 1 banana. 2 bananas.
Got 2 bananas.
2 bananas.
Good girl.
Don't we eat it?
And last but not least,
1 banana.
3 bananas. Okay, you want to give a big stir?
Oh,
So you can book up the, mash it all up.
mash. Ow!
Oh, sorry. Good. And now chocolate chips.
Sugar chips.
Okay, we're going to tip in the chocolate chips.
Yeah.
Okay. We've got half a cup of chocolate chips to give those a good stir.
I'll try one.
You got to try one. Next, we want to put in some cinnamon. So we've got a teaspoon of cinnamon in here.
Yummy.
Yummy. Stir it all up for me, Miss Cheshire.
Okay.
Okay. Next, we've got half a teaspoon of baking soda.
I'll try one. I'll try one.
Yeah, just
I'll try.
mix it all up for me, Charlotte. Stir.
They're yummy. They're yummy. They're yummy.
And they're yummy.
Yep.
Very good. You want to give it a good stir? And I'll put the. And next we have 1
Wow.
3/4 cups of flour.
Wow.
So we've got our
Mama.
1 cup of flour.
You wanna?
Tip it in. Good girl. And our 3/4 cups.
Wow.
Okay.
Yummy.
Just mix it in.
I will have the one.
Right, keep it in the bowl. Come. Stir.
Muffin.
Dough is now ready. Okay, and we're going to get 2 tablespoons. And use this one for measuring the butter out of. And we want to take 1.
I wanna.
Yeah, and tip 1 into there.
One.
Yeah, and do the next one. Into there.
There.
Next one.
This one.
Into there.
Here.
And the next one into.
I can do it.
Yeah, you do it. Okay, and do your next one.
And this one.
Into that. Good girl. That's it. Put your hands taking it off. And the next one. Right, so we're all done.
Order.
Shall we put them in the oven?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now put
We're
it
going to put them in the oven for
on.
about
50
30 minutes. Well, yeah. Probably more like 25, but
Bye.
we will see you soon.
See you soon. Bye.
These are our banana muffins, so 20 minutes is up.
Yeah.
We also, while we were waiting, did a quick batch of carrot muffins. We're about to go into the oven. And then we're going to do a quick letterbox drop to all the grandparents so they've got yummy muffins to keep them going for the day. And Charlotte, do you have anything you want to say? Like, thank you for watching Project Crazy Kids. And don't forget, if you like our videos, like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.